Hi guys, it's Chris and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm gonna be deploying the app that I've been building in a Docker environment. Okay, so basically, this is the single web page app form that I've been doing, and the idea is that it's a alternative for our main system, which is ServiceNow. And if that one goes down, at least we have a web form that we can use. And then once the ServiceNow is back, we can just issue a PowerShell script so that it will copy all those incidents that we've captured earlier when the ServiceNow is down. Okay, so yeah, so you can do test at test.com, gibberish, and double user, say preventing urgent work, gibberish, and business system library, and then submit. Once you've done that, it will successfully submit, and then it will write the database as well. And also, you can generate a report. So you can do it weekly, daily, monthly. Let's just do this one, print report, and it will create a CSV file of that report. Okay, so we can just issue a PowerShell to grab those. Okay, so that's the idea of the app. Okay, and then I will deploy it into a Docker environment. So I need to close this, and then I will bring out my wiki. Okay, so this is my wiki page, so feel free to visit the site. Okay, so first you need to create a Docker file. So next extension, Docker file within the root folder. This is my root folder, and this is the Docker file. Okay, I already copied it from Python. This one, if you're using a PostgreSQL, you need that one. And then the working directory is /app. Copy all the requirements as txt within the same folder. Install the requirements, which is in the requirement.txt. Copy the app and expose the 949 port. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And then I've copied it, save, and then once you've done that, if this one and then if this one fails, should be this one, the other side, but let's try to run this one first. So docker build -t, the name of the project would be slow down _prj, and save it here. Oops, we need sudo. Okay, so it's done. Anyway, and also you need to do the Docker login, okay, so that it will grab. I'm already logged in, so as you can see, and this is my Docker engine. Yep. Now, once you've done that, if this one fails, run this one. Remove the previous configuration. It will work. And then next is this. Let's copy. Paste, and then image name is slowdown_prj, slowdown_prj, and my Docker Hub username. You should have a Docker Hub account. Mine is Mesro, and then you need the repository name. You need to create here. I'll call it the snow.prj, snow_prj, and then tag, I'll just put it b1.0. That's the version 1.0. Okay, once that is done, we are going to do you can do Docker login to connect, but you can do it before or after. I already logged in, as you can see. Already log in. Okay, and then Docker push. Paste Docker push. Docker push Docker Hub username, that is, and then repository is no snow prj, and then the version is v1.0. Okay, this one will push to your Docker hub. This one, so as you can see, it's empty, but once this is done, it should push all those things. Okay, so it's done. So you can see there is version 1.0. Okay, so it's done. So you can test within your local Docker hub before you deploy it. If you sign in, it should grab all your Docker repo containers, images. You can search for image, and I think this is the one that we just created 1 minute ago. Okay, you can just no, this one will run, sorry. This one will run. Back. We need to configure the port. Sorry. And then option, I am gonna map it to port 9494. Container name, I'll just forget this no_prj and run. Okay, so I think that's running. So if you can see here, I'm not running any virtual environment, but if you go to localhost, now it's 9494, it should work. Okay, so that's how easy it is to deploy a Docker, a Django and a Docker image. Okay, so it's now your Docker hub. So if you have another machine, just search your name and the project name and then pull, it should automatically run. Okay, so you can also see if you go, I can just activate this, right? So if you go to Docker PS, as you can see, it's running. It's running on port 9494. Okay, so that's how to. Oh, let's try if it's working or not. I don't need this anymore. Close it. And so you can see, Chris at chris.com. Testing 1, 2, 3. Just copy this. And now a single user, preventing non-urgent work. Test, and I am a this test. Submit. Now it's submitted. And then generate report. Let's make it today. It should be. I should be the last one. Or I should say the first one because it's at the order. Okay. So yeah, so that's how you deploy a Django app into a Docker. Oh, this one. Let's try in one of my. This one won't work anymore because it's no longer 8,000. And then you're gonna be I think 9494. Oops, 9494. Okay, so it works. Okay, so I will put this one in the tablet so that it will just be facing user. And also, if you have a what we call a proxy NginxManager, you can actually add that one, add a proxy, and I call it slow down that your domain. My domain is Christopher. Oh, this is my other domain. Add it, and then forward the port to 128.10. What's my IP? Let me check on the IP that's running. IPA IF10fig. It's running on and so I'm in 185. Okay, then that 185 and port 9494. Okay, block common exploit, and then the SSL non save. Oops, already in use. So because I did test this one, so it's no demo. It's no demo that. Okay, this will work. SSL save. Okay, so it's there. So now if we go to snow demo that.com, it should take we need to add that thing. Yeah, I forgot, my bad. Since it's already been deployed, I can rebuild it, or you can just go to your Docker and then this one, and then go to this one. Execute. Okay, as it's located in my settings. I think we need to install nano for the editor, and then go to cd incident down, cd incident down. CD incident down. CD ls. Oh, I'm now incident down. CD point ls CD slow down. I need to go to the root. Slow down ls and then nano settings that py, and we just need to add that thing. I think it's slow demo. Control X, Control Y, yes. If you run it, it should work. Okay, sorry about that. I should have changed it before I built it to image, but you get the idea. Okay, so if you like this simple app, just feel free to download the GitHub repo and Docker image, and then if you're stuck, just ping me a message and I will get back to you. Okay, so until next time, see you.